In today's video, I am starting my rebuild for the Washington Huskies in college football 25. And this is the first rebuild that I'm gonna do on this channel. I've been inconsistent with YouTube. My last post was like 3 months ago. So yeah, it's about time for me to lock in and get back on the grind, you know? As you can see, I posted on Instagram who I should do for my first one. Washington has had a lot of changes. I know last year they went to the national championship, but I want to say they lost their head coach, they lost their star quarterback and star players, a lot of star players. So I was also deciding if I wanted to rebuild the Pac-12 or keep them in the Big Ten conference. And I'm thinking I wanna rebuild the Pac-12. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go choose my team, create the coach, and I'm gonna see y'all when I'm rebuilding the Pac-12. Also, another thing I wanted to talk about before starting any games is the difficulty. I'm not playing on Heisman, bro. I've tried a couple games on Heisman, and I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. This shit is scripted. Like at the end of each half, bro, EA just got this thing in the football games where they just have it to where the team score. All-America's still a challenge. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and then I think 5 or 6 minutes. I think I'm gonna do 5 for the first game and just see how that goes. But other than that, let's go straight into creating the Pac-12. So as you can see, I have rebuilt the Pac-12. I added Boise State and I added Hawaii. I created the divisions north and south again. I put Boise in the north, Hawaii in the south. I don't see why Hawaii is in the Mountain West. Makes no sense to me. Boise does a little bit, but at the same time, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, they need some more competition. And then I also in the Mountain West, I added UMass for just to replace Boise. They were independent, so that felt easy. Now, I'm gonna see y'all after I'm done choosing the team, making the coach, and yeah, let me get that done. Okay guys, so I just finished creating my coach, Charles Reign. He's about to reign terror on all of college football with his coaching, whatever, yeah, techniques, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, as you can see, the goal for this season is to win 9 games. That could be tough. We could do it though. As you see their history, we've been good. But a lot of people are expecting, let me sign this contract. A lot of people are expecting us to fail this year and not succeed, maybe not even make a bowl game. I don't know. Actually, I don't know if people are thinking that. To be honest, I just kind of think that because Washington lost everybody, so I'm here to build it back up, you know? So, let me set up my recruiting and all that. This takes forever, it seems like. So let me do all that, and then I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. I was just scouting. I sent him a scholarship. Bro, accepted off the rip. Oh my gosh, we got motion. Oh my gosh, a 5-star QB off the rip. Oh my gosh. Yo, he heard Charles Reign's coming. And he said, oh my gosh, Charles Reign. I'm in there like swimwear. Get me. As soon as they send the offer, I'm there. I hear you. I ain't even need to scout, bruh. Okay, so I just finished scouting. Matter of fact, we got 3 players to commit to us. Y'all saw the 5-star. I then got 2 3-stars to also commit on day 1. So obviously the coach that I created got motion. You gotta have motion or something. Cause goodness. Now I wanna edit my games to make sure that they're not too easy. At Penn State, oh my gosh. At Penn State is crazy. I actually like this. I like this. Not too much changing. Yep, it's a bye week. So let me do some quick recruiting again. And then, to be honest, I'm gonna send you guys straight. Actually, after I'm done recruiting, we're gonna have a team meeting. We're gonna talk to the team. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of things I gotta talk to. We're gonna meet the team. We're gonna meet the players, see who plays where. and then we're gonna go straight into the game, and that will be episode 1. And I think after episode 1, I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 games an episode until we win the national championship. It is game week. It is game time. First, before we do game time though, I need to have a team meeting. I gotta address the team and look at each position group, see who we got playing what, where, and how. Quarterbacks, we got Will Rogers, okay. Step up, sleight of hand, resistance, and dot, okay. At halfback, we got Jonah Coleman at an 87, okay. He's probably one of our best players. He'll be getting the ball a lot. Wide receivers, we got Jeremiah Hunter, who I think was a transfer too. Wide receiver group's a little thin. Oh my goodness, yeah, we don't have a lot of good wide receivers. So I definitely need to go scout some more. All right, yeah, this team looks pretty average. It looks nothing like the team we had last year. Nothing like that. So first thing first from team meeting, man. Absolutely no hoodies on underneath jerseys on game days unless you have broken a record, team record, yearly record, whatever. Unless you've broken a record, that's the only time you can wear a hoodie underneath the jersey. That is main issue number 1, is our jersey thing. Making sure, I want y'all to be swaggy, be comfortable, you know what I'm saying? But jersey, hoodie underneath the jersey is wildin', bruh, and you ain't even earned it. Next thing I want to talk about. We need to have a standard here, okay? When teams play us, they need to be like, we know they're going to attack this way. And if we do that, we can set them up for a fake, you know? So I need y'all to be prepared for me to go out there and hit trick plays. I need y'all to be locked in, especially for this first game. This is a huge first game. Carson, you're probably our captain. As the best player and defensive player. No, it does not seem like it. Set as captain. Yes, set him as captain. Okay. He is our captain as the best defensive player on the team. And he's a linebacker. Also, I wanted to do this. So that way, y'all don't think I'm cheesing a little bit. You know what I'm saying? By lowering the difficulty. You seen what I just did. I lowered the QB accuracy. Okay. I'm not doing Heisman. Heisman is ridiculously stupid. But let's get straight into this game, man. First game of the season. What jerseys we wearing? All white. What they got on? The all blacks. Heard you. Heard you. And if it's a blowout, I might play offense only. If it's a blowout, if I start blowing, like if we're playing Appalachian State and we're up big, hey, oh, they lit. Oh, they lit. Not too lit, though. We finna shut all this down. Okay, they get ball first. Good kickoff. Let's make him fumble. That's what I want. Got him at the 20. Set a standard. Set a standard. Where's my captain at? There he is. Good tackle. A few more stops. Let's get a 3 and out. Well, that's not going to do it. That's not going to help with a 3 and out. Come on, Washington. Come on. Come on, get him. Yeah, that's my captain right there. That's why you captain, baby. That's why you're captain. You can read those gaps. I need to go safety. I might blitz with him. Oh, yeah, sack. Sack. Russell Davis. Okay. 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 We need that. We need that. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? No! No! Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. We were so close to getting it stopped. How do you like? I don't think I go for an interception there. Let's go. Come on, Jackson. Oh. Oh! 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 He almost got loose. Oh, he almost got loose. Okay, come on. We got to lock in offense. I wonder if Will Rogers was on this team last year. We have a good running back, so we got to utilize him. Come on, Will.
Right down the middle. And this senior quarterback a little too bold there, and he's lucky he didn't.
I don't know what I was looking at. I thought he was gonna get past him faster than that. He didn't.
It's 3rd and 5. Looking to pass.
Are they gonna blitz?
Dances away to buy time.
Good pass. Oh yeah. Good juke. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
First down.
We could have circle or square.
Here's the snap, looking to throw.
I see square.
Gonna take a shot at this DB. And it goes through his hands. Oh,
QB not that accurate.
Offense in a bunch formation.
It's getting loud here.
On 2nd down, he'll fire. He's going for a big play down.
What?
Fires into a
Bro, you gotta be kidding me.
and he's
Oh my gosh, he intercepts that?
Not all guys have the ability to break
Of course, man.
securing the INT.
Come on, defense. Save us.
Now they'll run it to the
Save
right
us. Good job, Captain.
here. For a yard out to the 33.
And the running back didn't get much there. Nice job.
We need to get a 3 and out. We need it. We need it. We need it.
Knockbacks and limiting his carries.
Why is he wide open?
It's Terry. And he gets it
Oh
to the
my
45-yard
goodness.
line.
That's me. I'm fucking playing on the defensive line.
I know that seems like a simple route, but it's actually a lot more complex than what it looks like because that route changes based on whether it's man or zone. If it's man coverage, he's flying across the field. If it's zone, he's got to sit down over the
Bro,
ball.
where's my defense going?
This quarterback-
Come on, Bruno.
On the run, it's Gobranson.
Oh, yes, sir. Interception. Interception. Needed it. Needed it. Needed it. Oh, that's kind of tough. That's kind of tough. I ain't gonna lie. All right, come on, running back. Carry us. No. Oh, my gosh. He had the cut left, bro. Let's go play action. Let's go play action. We might have triangle. Oh my gosh, that's different. Bro, oh my gosh, bro. I can't play this game, bro. No way. No way. No way, bro. Oh my god, bro. Why is it so hard to tackle? Bro, this dude got 2 interceptions in the first half. Oh my gosh, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Do I sub him out? In the first quarter, not even the first half, bro. Run the ball. Run the ball, man. This dude cannot throw. Come on. Can we get some blocks? Alright. We need to find something easy. Something easy. Switch hands. Good pass. Come on, Coleman.
Make it easy for your quarterback to read that leverage, and when he drags across the field,
Good job. Good job. Good run. Oh my gosh, bro. That pick 6, bro. Well, that makes me so mad. Because now we're down 2 touchdowns instead of just 1. Let's take a shot. We can't run on 3rd and long.
They'll run play action. Unloads to the wideout.
Oh my gosh.
Couldn't make the connection. It's incomplete.
Now we got to go for a 55-yard field goal.
Everything will have to be clean from 55 yards away. And as Michigan State takes
I do not want to play defense. I'm not going to lie to y'all.
They wanted to set the tone.
If they score here, I'm just running offense. If they score on this drive, I'm doing straight offense.
He's been so good reading coverage, going to where the with the football.
Come on, defense.
So far. And this defense needs to make something happen.
Get him. Get him.
You've already given up a couple touchdowns. Your offense has got nothing going. Still early in the game. Get a stop. Create some momentum.
Y'all gonna lose to the Beavers, bro?
Facing 3rd and long from the 40.
Ain't no way. My team would never.
Let's go, Branson.
My team would never. Oh my God. He fumbled. Get the ball. Run. Run. What is he blocking? Who is that nigga blocking? Oh my gosh. Okay, at least we got the ball. Bro, we need to score. Come on, offense. Put some on the board, man. Okay, they're in zone. They're in zone. They're in zone. Just run it. Just run it. Good slide. Good slide. Way to get out of there. Your O-line don't know what a defensive lineman even looks like. They're just letting them pass. These guys definitely won't get a job for security because they letting everybody by. Everybody and their mama getting through. Come on. Come on. I don't know. Do I go for it? Do I go for it?
If you don't convert on this 4th down, there will be questions about passing on the field goal try. Makes the catch, he's got enough.
Okay, we got the first. Let's move it. Come on, let's rush. Let's rush. Let's rush it.
That essentially would have just been a chip shot field goal with where they
Oh my gosh, go! Good run. That's a good run. We have to score. We have to score, Washington. We have to get into it. Come on. Come on. Touchdown. Touchdown! Let's go. Let's go. Ice in the vase. We need it. We need it. We need it. This comeback can be legendary. They will talk about this comeback 10 years from now, Washington. They will talk about this comeback 10 years from now. First game of the season, new coach, new quarterback, new team, new regimen, new training program, new diets, everything. Everything new. This will be legendary. Come down, 2 scores, 2 interceptions, first quarter. Unheard of. Unheard of. Get him. What is he doing on the ground? What is this nigga doing? Tackle him. Grab him. Come on. My nigga over there diving up for the... Oh my God. Like, what is this nigga doing, man?
They move the tight end all over.
Okay. Okay.
Pass on the fly motion.
Okay, grab him. Bro, what is up with tackling? Tackling is so ass in this game, bro.
They can't pick up the first without scoring. Trying to get to him.
Let's go. Let's go. One stop.
Has to do. They know they're in field goal range. They can take the 3 points on the board.
They get the touchdown. Gosh, bro. Oh, this defense. I can't play defense, bro. I can't, bro. I can't. Come on. Come on. Good catch.
And such a good opportunity to cut into a 1-score game, create that momentum, get some good juices going for the second half.
Yep. No way. I slid, bro. I know. Oh my gosh. I might hit him too. Yeah, I'm hitting him. I'm going that way. Woo! I thought he broke the tackle. It was about to be a touchdown. What a catch, though. What a catch, though. What a catch, though.
Really nice timing on that throw. Quarterback had to hold it, allow his receiver to work his route, but he threw it at the perfect moment.
Great catch.
He was able to make the catch in
Oh my
bounds
gosh.
right on the side.
Oh my gosh. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Touchdown. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
If they get a first down, they might really get aggressive.
I'd be aggressive right out of the gate. I'd be throwing for a first down. If I get it, then it's
I'm not playing defense. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't do it, bro. Why? I want to skip. I want to skip. I don't want to do this. I'm so scared.
Looking to go up top on first down.
Come on.
The quick out.
Good tackle. Okay, defense. Come on. Lock in. Lock in. Let's go by play. Let's go play by play. Okay, they gave it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Huge. What was that? 5-yard penalty. Come on, defense. Oh, my gosh. And they score. They score before half. Oh, my gosh. This game always does this shit. And it's not even this game. It's just EA in general in their football game. Madden, same shit. Same shit. That's why I stopped playing it. That's why I stopped playing it.
What a spectacular grab there.
Bro, oh my gosh. I'm not playing defense no more. Well, our tight end's about to get hurt. I don't know how to sub him out. I mean, I do, but I'm not trying to pause the game and go through the depth chart and do all that.
Expecting this offense to have to keep throwing, considering they did.
Oh my gosh, good job. Good job, Will. Good job, Will. Good job, Will. Keep us alive.
To the air on first down.
I like it. I like it. Good catch. You know what it is. Yo! Oh my God.
The second half, they're going to go for it on fourth down. Trying to get behind the defense. Can't hook up on the long throw and fourth down.
All right, defense. Come on, log in. Log in. That's not locking in. And they score again. Oh my gosh, bro. We're losing to the fucking Beavers. You have to be kidding me. Are we really losing to the Beavers, bro?
This time he's got it. He's brought down quickly. Middle game there. Still a bit short of the first down. Still some work to do after that last completion at second down. Gets it out quickly.
I can't believe we're going to lose to this team. That's so sad, bro. First game, we're going to go out to the Beavers. Oh my gosh, bro. Right there. No shit, you want to see your quarterback be accurate. Can't do shit. Yep, indeed. Game's over pretty much.
Feeling some heat. And he couldn't find quite enough running room to reach the line to gain. Facing this double-digit deficit here in the second half, almost a no-brainer to go for it on fourth down. Gonna take
Come
a
on.
shot.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. What a pass. What a pass. We ain't going out like no hoes. Best believe it. Come on, defense. Lock in. Okay, I'm gone. Come on. What was that? A pick six? Okay, we just intercepted it. Oh my gosh. Gave us a chance. Oh my gosh, this will be legendary. This will be historic. This will be historic. Let's go. Let's go, UDUB. Make it a movie.
The snap sets up the throw.
Oh, make it a movie.
Dumps it off.
Make it a movie! Let's go! Let's go! Defense. Defense, we need you. Defense, we need you. One more stop. I did not mean to play it.
Pick on the last drive. Need to take care of the ball.
Oh, no. No.
We're going to find out a lot about this quarterback.
Oh, my gosh. I thought he broke it. Fuck. I'm not playing defense, bro. Oh my gosh, come on, dog. Oh my gosh, we're giving up 40 points to these guys. This defense is absolutely shitty, dude. And I'm talking about
On
ours.
first down with the play fake. Fires to the right.
What the? Oh my God! Oh my God! Like what? So you're telling me Oregon State's better than this year? Okay. Heard you.
Wide receiver now comes in motion. Quick pass on the jet motion. That may not look like a huge run, but they'll take
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be horrible. This is not gonna be fun. One play? You're suggesting me one play? Are you get?
Flip it forward. That counts as
Oh, I can't.
completion percentage, which is good.
I can't.
It's all right after the catch, so
It only gets dumber.
He wouldn't have been the only all
This nigga suggested me one fucking play.
push passes when I was playing quarterback. I tell you that. It's so hard to defend. It's so hard.
Almost, bro. We almost came back. Defense sold the bag though.
This team out because of who's playing quarterback. When this guy's in the game, it's never over. Yeah, they're trailing.
Oh my gosh, so close.
back to throw. It's Rodgers. Fires left.
Bro!
Intercepted.
I'm literally like I'm trying to move the wide receiver, bro. Oh my
Running inside the 20. And he's
God, Alright guys, well that's game. As you can see, we got absolutely mollywopped by the fucking Oregon State Beavers. 52.
bitterly disappointing start to the season as they
Oh
can't
my
come up with a
gosh,
W and open 0-4.
We obviously see this Washington Husky team is bound to go 0-100. So, this rebuild is gonna be hard as fuck. Probably longer than 10 seasons. We'll probably bring this into the next college football video game. This is how hard it's probably gonna be. We'll probably be trying to win a national championship with Washington until college football 26. That's what it seems like. Great game.